Four primary areas determine what videos will be played according to the main duration and transition settings: Media Folder, Themes, Video Collections, and the Playlist. These panels are populated with directory tags, which are automatically generated from your folder and file names during a media scan. The Media Folder is the root where all theme folders should reside on your hard drive. Themes are general categories that contain individual video collection folders. Video collection folders are the only folders that contain the actual media files. This folder structure makes it easy to keep your media library instantly accessible using just a few clicks. When combined with the tag system, you may quickly recall tightly filtered groups of videos to match the music and tempo as you perform. Here's how it works. Click on the media folder to get a listing of themes it contains. Click to select one or more themes to populate the video collections panel. Finally, click on the video collections to populate the playlist with the media contained in those folders. Video collections usually contain 20 to 30 individual videos from a single visual artist in a specific style. Once you're satisfied with your playlist, click the check mark to confirm those changes. The changes will take place according to the playlist quantize settings to keep everything in sync with your music.